The new upcoming flagship smartphone, OnePlus 8T, will be built on the same processor as the OnePlus 8, but will receive other amazing improvements. OnePlus has been in the spotlight of users and the media lately. Not so long ago, the company presented its first fully wireless headphones and the mid-budget Nord smartphone, in which, by the way, the first massive problems have already been discovered. Now, in Geekbench has appeared yet unannounced smartphone of the company, which will probably be called OnePlus 8T. The device found in the popular benchmark database is codenamed OnePlus KB2001. The tested smartphone runs Android 11. It carries 8GB of RAM and is built on the Snapdragon 865 chipset. The choice of the chip looks a bit unexpected, since by tradition, OnePlus T series devices are usually equipped with the most powerful processors available on the market, and such is currently the Snapdragon 865 Plus. However, analysts are suggesting that the OnePlus 8T will offer users an improved camera, increased battery capacity, and improved fast charging technology over the OnePlus 8 released earlier this year. The OnePlus 8T smartphones will allegedly include a multi-module camera with a 64-megapixel sensor. At least, the mention of such a sensor was found in the program code of the OnePlus Camera V5.4.23 application. Observers believe that, as the other devices with such a sensor, the OnePlus 8T camera will be primarily designed for the high-quality 16-megapixel images. According to rumors, the new series of the smartphones will include the base model OnePlus 8T as well as a more powerful modification of the OnePlus 8T Pro. The devices are credited with having a 65 watts fast charge rechargeable batteries. The company is expected to use Snapdragon 865 to avoid a significant increase in the cost of the smartphone. More details about the new flagship device should appear closer to its announcement, the date of which is still unknown. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.